Yo, you are welcome once more to my YouTube channel. I am Coach John Ibe. In today's class, I'll be teaching you how to design this simple flyer over here. Alright, if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, I don't still know your problem until now. Until now, you have not yet subscribed and you are viewing it and be passing. Alright, there is no challenge. So do it to subscribe it. If you like, subscribe. If you don't like, leave it there now. How is your business? But don't mind me or subscribe, okay? Alright, let us hit the point without wasting much of your time. First thing to do is to check the size. The size that I use is 9921280. That was the same size I used in the other of my design. Alright, I will be recreating this design so that you'll be able to know exactly what I did. Okay, alright, let us continue. First thing foremost is to let me delete. Should I delete it? Okay, there's no challenge. Let me just okay, let me just use something and cover it up. Okay, yeah, let me use something and cover it up. Please, I will just be fast here because I know that you have learned the introduction, everything, so there is no challenge. So I'll just be showing you what I did. Okay, let me just bring in the design. Yo, this is the design. Let me bring in the background. Yo, this is the background, right? All right, let me bring this one to front. Then let me set this one to cover up here. Okay, good. So after such, the next thing I'm to do is just to lock here. Good. Now after locking it, I have to bring in a circle. Yeah, let me just use black over here. Good. Then let me copy it. Let this one be white. Then let me also copy this one. Sorry. And turn it to black. Yo, so let us make sure that this one is at the center. Same thing applicable to this. Same thing applicable to this. So if you have not yet watched the other ones that I did, go back and watch it. So I will just be bringing in the shapes and everything. So I will tell you, I will pause it and do the rest, and I'll tell you where. I'll just show you the place you can just follow up. That is very, very paramount. Okay, for the sake of those that today is their first day of seeing this video or see my channel, I'll just be showing them everything. Okay, so you have to set it back to center and lock it. Lock this, lock this, lock this. So don't allow this one to cross here. Let it still be in the white. Don't know whether you're getting me. So if you have not yet subscribed, don't still know your problem up till now. Up till now you have not yet subscribed, don't know your problem. So the next thing you have to do is to do what? Get a square and cover everything, then place it at the back. Place it at the what? Look at where I'm dragging, right? Let me show you. Here now, this particular place. So bring it down. Bring it down. Still bring it down. Good. So you can see that the white, let me arrange this one very well. So it is now okay, right? So now the next thing you have to do, merge all. You are done merging them, right? Very nice. Do you know the next thing to do? Go to erase color. Use this thing that looks like biro. Pick it. Go to black. Mark good there. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Good. If you have not yet subscribed, my God, I don't know your problem. Bring in what you want to put. Now, this is what I will be doing. I will not only be telling you, I will not only be doing all these things here, because it will take my time, because I've already done it. So that's the more reason you have to watch it. Please, if you are seeing this video today, just today, go back to my previous video and watch it. How to power clip. Watch the video, okay? So I'll just be pausing it here so that I'll be able to complete it. So I just remember that my client say the person I designed this thing said I should change some of the images and put more of hairdressing styles and all the rest. So I'm done putting everything. You can see it. I'm done putting them, but I didn't add anything here. If you look very well, I don't know whether you are even looking very well. Okay, so I'm done now. So the next thing you have to do is you can just get a circle, turn this to radius and cover here, okay? It doesn't matter. So after such, you have to merge everything together, okay? You merge everything together. Be looking at the ones that I'm merging together. Just be paying attention, okay? So I think that should be all. So you click OK. So all of them has been merged. Sorry, this one was skipped. So I have to go back. Okay, so I go again. I have to merge this. That's one. If you know where you are hiding, bring out yourself now. Okay, so that should be it. If you are still watching this thing and you have not yet subscribed, well, at least I've tried. Okay, let us go back again. I didn't merge the circle. Okay, this one will be the final one, I promise. Okay, that is it. So you just come down it will load. So it has been merged now, all of them, so you can see it. So the next thing you have to do is just to remove the color, that white color, remove it. Have you seen it? So after removing it, you just have to go increase the tolerance. Okay, increase the tolerance, even the smooth edge, increase it as well. So then go to stroke, and put a stroke, maybe 2 or 3. I'll be going with 3. Okay, let me just go with 4. Okay, 4 should be okay. So after such, you can see there is nothing here, right? So you can still go here, go to erase, go to, where is it, erase color. Okay, eraser, go to eraser. You can just go to eraser and clean up here. Oh, sorry, and clean here so that it won't show. But this one is, I'm just giving you Jara so you can see it. So after such, you can just come over here and bring in the design, the main person that you'll be putting, that's the main image there. Okay, I should be using this. So graphic design is very simple. It's all about consistency. I keep on telling people this. It's all about consistency. You can just place it this way. So that should be okay, right? So after such, you can just bring it down, bring this one down as well. Can still make this one to okay. Don't know whether you are seeing what I'm doing. If you like, pay attention. So after such, you then go to the main design. So let me just bring in this one. So I just have to cover it. Oh, this one is not facing well. I just want to make sure that I cover this. Let me still go back. Okay, so you bring in a color, a shape, and cover it up so you can do the remaining. Okay, so I believe I've given you, so you put stroke on this one. So that was exactly what I did. Then you bring in this one, and I don't want to complete this video because if I do, it will take a lot of my time. Okay, so you can just increase this one, cover it up here, then bring it down here. So use this color and cover it up. Then you type. That should be all for today. Thank you very much. If you have not yet subscribed, do it to subscribe. Thank you.